Hi guys, Yandre Barnard here from SKYE HD. I'd like to show you a little walkthrough of a property we just finished. I hope you enjoy it. So as you can see behind me, we've done a 9-panel, 55-inch video wall. So it's 3 by 3, 55-inch 4K. It's not often that your garage looks like a showroom. As you can see here, a very special garage for some very special cars and some very special screens. So the brief from the client was that he wants a space where him and his mates can sit down and watch the game. So what we did in this bar is simply exactly that. So what we try and do is somewhere in your house, have a little space where you can go sit and relax. It's exactly what we did in this pajama lounge. As you can see, 75-inch screen built into marble. So the client can come, sit down, close the curtains, and watch his favorite TV show. So what we try and create with different types of mood lighting is the ability to have, just say, some soft lighting on, or if you want to get dressed, you can do it like that. In the main bedroom, we try to create a completely voice-controlled space. If I had to say, Alexa, bedroom Apple on, you'll see the TV lift opening behind me. If you want to watch TV with a view, electronic curtain rails is the way to go. On this beautiful roof patio is a nice warm feel with lights combined with a bit of nature. So by the press of the button, we can make that happen. What we try and achieve with home automation is to have every single light in your house or outside controlled from a central iPad or your cell phone. But as you can see here, the pool and the pond behind me, press of a button, there you go.
Strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. In fact,
in the kitchen, we didn't really have a space for a TV, so what we've done is we've installed a flip-down rotating lift by Definition Automation. Alexa, kitchen Apple on. Behind me, you'll see the TV lift opening up and then rotating towards us. What we wanted to create with this TV lift is 3 different viewing environments. First being this, the entertainment patio, the second being the pool, and the third being the kitchen that we looked at earlier. So if we're in the entertainment patio, the TV lift will come down and face us at a 90-degree angle. So in this house, we've used 2 control applications. This is the launch port, comes with a base station, as you can see. You can pick it up, you can control your zones. This is the Lux port, very simply. Also, same thing, can be picked up, carried around. Once it's on the docking station, it'll charge and be ready to use tomorrow. Every bedroom in the house is controlled with an iPad, okay? The iPad will give you control of the whole room. Controlling the lights, you've got the option of what percentage you want to go to. If that's too bright, you'll go to 25%. And turning it off at night is as simple as just hitting the button. When you press Apple TV, this becomes your Apple TV remote. You can then go and select whatever you want. Now, obviously, everything happens automatically. You'll get the sound through the speakers, the TV comes on, amplifier comes on at the bottom, and all you have to do now is just turn up the volume and enjoy. So in the informal lounge, we wanted to create something a little bit bigger than a normal TV. So what we've got here is a black diamond screen with a serious 850 lumens projector. As you can see, click of a button. SKYE HD also specializes in home theater. We can do it any form, any size, in full 4K, as you can see right here. And this is where the magic happens. As you can see here, this specific property, 9 decoders, 18 inputs, 30 TVs out in the field, 9 Apple TVs, 6 Sonoses, 25 different zones controlled individually with both volume and picture.
but mankind won't be destroyed.
What we try to do is create individual areas where you can actually sit and have independent sound. So as you can see here in the jacuzzi, We've done 2 wall-mounted speakers by BMW, giving you individual sound just for this area. If you like to spend a bit of time in the pool, you can also have a waterproof remote that you can actually take into the water and control your sound from there.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working